Hi, my name is Anthony Parkinson from Ansell Lighting, and this is the new Prism Pro LED Trimless Bezel Kit. The new Prism Pro Trimless Kit enables you to adapt your Prism Pro to create a seamless finish. The kit included comes in 3 parts. There is the body with the holes for securing to the plasterboard. Within the body there's a push to release smooth white cone. To release the white cone, locate the glossy finish indicator on the bezel. Behind that is a locking support ring, which is removed, allowing access to cabling to complete the first fix. Once the plasterer has made good the sealing around the kit, the body is then ready to accept the Prism Pro and to finish the install. The Prism Pro is terminated and then held in position at the rear of the body. The locking support ring is then placed back in, covering the bezel of the Prism Pro, securing it in place like so. Finally, the white cone, which provides the clean and contemporary finish, is added. Please ensure to push until the kit clicks twice to indicate that it is seated correctly. The Prism Pro Trimless Kit is compatible with the Prism Pro range and Prism Pro Wiz.